Q&A product that's a mashup of Clubhouse and Instagram Live. Facebook Hotline being tested as live audio chat rival to Clubhouse. Facebook launches Clubhouse rival Hotline, a Q&A format live chat app. Hotline provides users with a blend of voice, text, and video options for participating in online discussions with hosts. Facebook recently added an experimental online forum called Hotline as into public beta testing. This was attempted by the social media giant to keep up with the live audio trend made popular by the likes of Clubhouse. It allows creators to speak to an audience who can then ask questions via either text or audio. However, not like Clubhouse, creators can opt to show their cameras on for the event, in place of being audio only. The new app is taking proposal from an up-and-coming social network, Cloubhouse. In fact, Hotline's user interface will appear acquainted to all of us who's already used Clubhouse, Twitter Spaces or any of the alternative audio-only social networks. However, there are also numerous differences among Hotline and current apps, like Clubhouse. The app today has customers sign in with Twitter then verify their identification through SMS. The listeners section is divided up among individuals who are simply watching the event, as represented via their profile icons, and people who are asking questions. At the top of this segment, you're supplied with the lists of questions that customers have asked, which others can upvote or downvote as a consequence. Guests are represented by using their profile icon and are audio only while on stage. However, within the settings, there's a choice for the listener to toggle on video that's no longer yet functional for these days' test. Users can react with emoji, which includes clapping arms, fire, heart, laughter, surprise and thumbs up. Facebook spokesperson said that Hotline has been created with an aim to target knowledge experts, who can provide insights and tips to aspiring professionals in the field of health, education, etc. She also said that the team is looking into ways to explore how users' questions might be upvoted. That is it. Thank you for watching. See you again and don't forget to like the video.